Beautiful red chili and pink zinnia flower here. I like the combination between white and pink color, and then the chili here in the background. So I'm going to photograph this flower and this chili from background, and I want to focus on the flower. So the form of this chili, the green chili, and a little red color there. So I can photograph this chili, this red chili and the green color. Okay, but first I am going to focus on this flower and red chili in the background. Maybe from angle like this. Let's try using my Nikon D5200. This is the photo I get. So focus on the flower in the front and the red chili in the background and also the white chili flower. Little tiny one here. I think it look wonderful, beautiful color combination. Okay, and try from another angle. Try to get really close to the flower. I can use manual focus to be close. Okay, it's more close up like this. So, okay. So using autofocus, I cannot get the close. So using manual focus, I can get like this. What about landscape? I think it's not really good. What if I focus on the chili in the background? So now the chili in focus and the flower is in blur. Like this. So focus on the chili and the flower is blur in the foreground. Okay, let's try make the green leaves in the background. So I have two colorful things then now. Like this landscape. So both are in focus actually, but not really focus on the chili. Let's try include three flowers. So three flowers in one frame. Better in blurry photo. Just blurry photo like this. Two flowers. Okay, I think enough. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye.